ALDX is down 10.99% in the pre-market session of today, the 3rd of April 2025. At some point, it printed an intraday low of 3.4 dollars in this pre-market session, and since has since recovered that from those lows. We have upper projections, if you like, of 7.13, given this volatility that it printed as of the stock has been showing a lot of weakness. If you go by the sort of volatility that has associated the stock has been associated with over the last couple of trading sessions, then you might yeah, it might be you might be able you might find out that these sort of projections are possible. 7.13, that would be really ambitious, to be honest. 7.13, 8.61, 10.09. Let's have a look at the daily chart and see where those prices are fitting. Yeah, those are really ambitious. Those are really ambitious prices. They will be we'll be talking about 52-week highs. But the only thing that is justifying that is the magnitude of losses that it has been printed of late. But weakness is still expected especially on this daily chart. It's still expected, to be honest. So even though I have those upper projections, the odds of those printing are not even really there. They're not really there because there isn't any moving out there. There are no deep moving averages to support price like 7.13, for instance. But the fact that there isn't anything, there isn't enough statistical data to support such probabilities, it does not mean that they will not happen. But don't bank on those high prices, these projections: 7.13, 8.61, 10.09. If anything, downward projections are still projected. We have down here 5.06, 4.23, and all the way down to 3.73. Okay, so the stock doesn't really respect the projections we have here. So it's not the algos are not very much. They're not all over this stock. They're not sort of all over it as such. So even though sometimes they tend to come in, they tend to play their hand on the stock, but not as much as we have seen with certain stocks. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart and see. They're not really involved that much. Okay, so you can see that weakness it got a rejection at that's on Monday the 31st at 6.87, and has just continued to pull back. So even today's loss of 11.74 is actually an improvement. We don't exactly know why this is happening. Yeah, we don't exactly know why. So upper projection we have here 5.76. This is on the 4-hour chart. On the 1 minute chart, just have a look and see what's going on here. Yeah, here the algos played out a bit, consolidating around those Fibonacci projections. Let's see now, 5 minute chart and see. Here we have 5.78. I think we've seen a similar figure, but there also downward projections: 3.96, 3.61, 3.4. I think this is the intraday low, 3.4. Yeah, and then even lower prices at 3.31. Okay, no upper projection. Still in that's in play at the moment, but we have downward projection 3.6. Okay, no projections that are in play at the moment. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on right now. Let's have a look at the. This is the one. Let's see now the daily chart and see what's going on today. Yeah, that's a plunge and recovery. Okay, just see what you can make of ALDX and just be really careful out there. And thank you very much for watching this video.